there were people all over that just jumped out and said, yeah, we want to do that. We want to help.
It's like, how do we give back to them? How do we support them? Duquesne Light is, a very diverse company as far as what communities we're located in, the whole entire Pittsburgh area. So it's like, we need to give back. We need to embrace that diversity within our community. We need to be reaching out to the children, the schools, and helping these communities build up.
This is where our friends, family members, this is our community. Duquesne Light is a community-based utility, and so this is where we need to be. So it's a neat thing for our employees to be able to come and participate in Homewood. Some of our employees actually live in Homewood, so it's a really neat thing to be able to give back to the community in which you reside.
I come from an underprivileged community, and we had people to help us. We had people come in, step in, build playgrounds for us. We work in these communities. We service these communities. So for Duquesne Light and for Bridge especially, giving back to some of the less fortunate, underprivileged communities, that was one of our main goals.
We really appreciate the sponsorship through Bridgeburg. That check will go straight toward our stewards and materials that they need and paying them with those stipends. So I'm very excited to see where that partnership can go further.